everybody, my name is Michael Brunson. I'm a first-year pharmacy student here at Idaho State University in Pocatello, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about why I chose pharmacy as a career. I got into pharmacy kind of on accident. I actually was working as a suit salesman, and I was fitting a gentleman for a suit, and we started talking about what I was doing with my life, and he ended up asking me if I had any interest in working in a pharmacy. I didn't know at the time that he was a pharmacist, and he ended up offering me a job at his family-owned pharmacy here in Idaho Falls. Fast forward time 4 or 5 years, and I decided myself to go into pharmacy as a career because I was really interested with how drugs worked in the body and how we could influence the body through external substances. I chose Idaho State University as my university of choice because I was really interested in going to such an old school that had so much history and such a reputation for turning out good students. Everyone that I'd talked with up to that point when I was like, oh yeah, I want to go to Idaho State University, everyone was like, oh, that's a really good pharmacy school. And I knew that I just wanted to go to a school that had that kind of history. A little bit about me, I studied biochemistry in my undergraduate. I'm from Idaho Falls, so going to Pocatello made for a really good choice for me. And I really like to read, as evidenced by all these books behind me. So anyways, my name, again, is Michael Brunson, and that's a little bit about why I chose pharmacy as a career. Thanks.